Ever wondered how you could cultivate medicinal plants at home for natural remedies? Medicinal plants hold a wealth of healing properties, and having them right at your doorstep offers countless benefits. Well, today, we're going to guide you through the process of cultivating medicinal plants right at home. The first step is choosing the right medicinal plants to grow. Consider aloe vera for its skin-soothing properties, chamomile for calming effects, or peppermint for digestion aid. Each offers unique healing benefits. After having chosen your desired medicinal plants, it's time to prepare for planting. The second step involves planting your chosen medicinal plants. Start by preparing the soil, ensuring it's rich with organic matter for optimal growth. Next, plant seeds or cuttings at the appropriate depth, typically twice the size of the seed itself. Regular watering is crucial, but don't overdo it, as waterlogged soil can lead to root rot. Sunlight and the right temperature are key to their growth, so make sure they're in a suitable location. With the right care, your medicinal plants will begin to grow in no time. The final steps involve maintaining your plants and harvesting them when they're ready. Caring for medicinal plants is a delicate balance of watering, pruning, and dealing with pests. Watering should be done with care, ensuring the plants never sit in water. Pruning helps maintain plant health and encourages growth. If pests become a problem, natural deterrents can be effective. Harvesting is all about timing. When the plants are mature, carefully pick the parts needed for your remedies. With these steps, you'll have a homegrown supply of medicinal plants for your natural remedies. Cultivating medicinal plants at home is not only beneficial for health, but also gives a sense of satisfaction. Imagine having nature's pharmacy right in your backyard. It's empowering, it's healthy, it's rewarding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content.